This is the sauce of our macaronia, guys. Of our macaronia, guys, we will add salt, we will add oil, and then boil it. If it's boiling, we will add oil. So now it's already done. We will strain it. For the carrots, guys, we will use this one to make it. Here we go, guys. This is our macaroni salad. And our macaroni here, it's already done. I already boiled. And we have the black seitan. And we have the corn. And we have the crab cheese cheddar. And we have the carrots. And we need sugar also, guys, 1 spoon. And we have the lemon here. For the sauce, we have the mayonnaise and the dressing. Dressing. We have the dressing, the ranch, and Thousand Islands. So now we will mix it, our macaroni salad. So first, we have the black seitan here, our corn. So we have the carrots here. Guys, sorry I can't show you how I cut because I already, my kitchen is already small, so I can't work with video. So I already direct to the point how I cut, how I slice for my video. So hope you like it also, guys. The kitchen is small. So now we will add our macaroni. We'll add macaronia, guys. So that's it. We will mix it first. We'll mix it properly. As you can see, guys, this is our macaroni salad for today. So now we will add So we will add our cheddar, mozzarella, crab cheese. That's it. So that's it, our macaronia, guys. Let's proceed to make the sauce of our macaronia salad, and then I will show you now. For our salt, I will add 1.5 spoon of sugar. Our dressing.
This is Tobias for here, Big Squad. Our ticket.
Our mayonnaise. Paubos na yung mayonnaise. And then our ranch. Lemon, our salt, and then we will mix. So we will taste our sauce for the macaronia, guys. Hindi masarap. Ang sobrang sarap. Super yummy the sauce, guys. Sauce pa lang masarap. So this is the sauce of our macaronia na, guys. As you can see, this is our macaronia, and we will put the sauce here. That's it. And we will mix it properly. Mix it properly, guys. This is our macaroni salad, guys. Arabic macaroni salad. So it's already done, guys, our macaroni salad.